Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Lyon medium back executive leather office chair. Assembly guide. Included in the box are seat pad, backrest, a pair of arms marked L and R, 5-star base, gas strut and cover, 5 casters, mechanism, 8 bolt caps, 1 Allen key, 4 small bolts, 8 large bolts. These bolts are pre-inserted into their respective holes to prevent them from getting lost during transit. Use the Allen key provided to remove these. To start, take the 5-star base and insert the casters into the holes, pushing firmly until they click. Turn the base over and drop the gas strut into the centre. Take the gas strut cover and place it over the gas strut. Next, attach the arms to the seat pad only using 4 of the large bolts. Each arm is marked underneath with L or R to indicate if it's left or right-handed. It's important that you do not fully tighten these bolts at this point. With the arms fitted to the seat pad, position the backrest between the arms like this and insert 1 large bolt through the arm into the bottom of the backrest. Repeat on the opposite side. Again, do not fully tighten these bolts at this point. Then, lift the backrest into position, locating the final 2 large bolts. Once all of the bolts are inserted, you can tighten any loose bolts. Attach the mechanism to the seat base, making sure the arrow on the mech is pointing to the front of the seat and secure using the 4 small bolts. Do not fully tighten these bolts until they're all inserted. We recommend you use the Allen key provided and not an electric screwdriver, as this can strip the threads. Next, with the help of another person, lift the chair onto the gas strut. You should feel it slot into the hole in the base of the chair. Lastly, insert the 8 bolt caps into the holes in the armrests. Please keep the Allen key to check the bolts every 6 months to ensure they're tight, and tighten any if they've come loose. And there you have it. Your new Lyon medium back executive leather office chair is ready to use. From Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.